Emma wakes up to the sound of birds singing outside her window. She smiles and thinks to herself, today is a perfect day to visit the park. Emma loves the park. It is a peaceful place with big green trees and colorful flowers. She quickly eats breakfast and puts on her favorite yellow hat. Emma steps out of her house and feels the warm sun on her face. As she walks to the park, Emma notices the blue sky with soft white clouds. She takes a deep breath and feels happy. When she arrives at the park, she sees children playing, people walking their dogs, and some are reading books on the benches. Emma finds a nice spot under a big tree and sits down. She watches the world around her, feeling relaxed. Suddenly, something soft touches her hand. Emma looks down and sees a small, fluffy puppy wagging its tail. Emma laughs softly and gently pets the puppy. "Hello, little one," she says. The puppy barks happily. A young boy runs up to Emma. He looks a bit shy but smiles at her. "His name is Max," the boy says. "He likes you." Emma smiles back and says, "Hello, Max, you are a friendly puppy." The boy introduces himself as Leo. Emma and Leo talk about the park, the trees, and the fun things they like to do. Emma learns that Leo and Max come to the park every Saturday. Emma enjoys talking with Leo. She learns that he loves painting and wants to paint the big tree in the park. Emma feels happy to meet a new friend. She tells Leo that she likes to draw too. They promise to bring their art supplies next Saturday and paint together. The sun begins to set and the sky turns orange and pink. Emma stands up and says goodbye to Leo and Max. She walks home, feeling warm and happy inside. She is glad she decided to visit the park. Emma knows she has made a new friend, and she looks forward to next Saturday. At home, Emma sits by the window and watches the stars twinkle in the night sky. She thinks about her day and smiles. It was a simple day, but it was full of joy and friendship. Emma feels grateful and peaceful as she falls asleep, dreaming of more sunny days at the park with her new friends.